We are pleased to show you the 2020 Altima. The Nissan Altima offers advanced features to make life easier, including push-button ignition, which comes standard. Combine that with a powerful engine and standard airbags and over 5,000 quality and performance tests, and you'll see the Nissan Altima is made to drive and built to last. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: keyless entry, lane departure warning, heated outside mirrors, heated front seats, trip computer, electronic stability control, clock, day-night rear view mirror, tachometer. Escape the mundane and embrace the thrill of a lifetime behind the wheel.